How to check extension in your Chrome browser. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can see your installed extension and how you can make it show on your toolbar, Chrome toolbar, you can see. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. Let me go on my Chrome browser. So here I'm on Chrome, and first I will show you how you can find your all installed extension. Just click on this three dot option, go to the more tools, and here go to the extension. So here you can see the all install extension. This is my all install extension. You can active from here, or you can also off from there. You can also remove from here. Okay, if you want to add new extension, you can click on this three dot this option and go. You have to open the Chrome Web Store, and here under Chrome Web Store you have to click extension, and here you can search the new extension like image compressor or anything, converter or whatever need. You have to just write keyword here, and here you can see the all related you will have here all related extension. You have to just open it and add to Chrome. Okay, so it will be add to Chrome. Okay, after add, just come again here and you can see this extension which is added here. It is automatically on, but you can off it, on it, or remove it. Okay, so now when you install the extension, sometimes you can't see extension here. You can see I can see my 3 extension here, but you first time install the extension, you are not able to see extension on Chrome toolbar. So what you need to do for that, just go to this puzzle icon, and you can see all your extension. Here you have to just click on pin, so it will be pin up to the top. Okay, same you can say. Okay, here you can see only your active extension, and you can pin it to top. It will be show here, you can see. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.